Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 6th of June, 2017. What a boring day that Monday was. We talk about the possibility of the ES having a 5-point range day that's not a holiday or a lead up to a holiday. And this was it. It was literally 5-point range on the ES all day. The afternoon was less than that. We'll look at the intraday action in a minute, but this was just horrible from a range and volatility perspective, obviously. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. It's hard to really give you much information about this market the way this is right now. It's just so dead and just not doing much so many days. Let's go to the major indices, and then we'll look at the intraday action we'll talk about tomorrow, Tuesday, and see what we get here. All right, so crude oil up 2 cents to 47.42. Gold down $1, which is also everything barely moved. The S&P cash index lost 3 points for the session. NASDAQ 100 lost 3 points for the session. SOX gained almost 3 points for the session. You see the pattern? Biotech's down 20, and then still a blip on a 3,000-point index. The VIX back up 32 cents, somehow above 10. Trend hits 0.84, 10-day moving average at 1.24. NASDAQ volume 1.7 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ negative 877. So there were 877 more stocks down than up, and on the New York negative 732. And yet we were basically just dead flat for the whole day. So the advanced decline ratio is bad. What helped was, you guessed it, Google to new highs up $7.76. Amazon to new highs up $4.61. Tesla up $7.47 to new closing highs. Netflix lost 12 cents, which is obviously just a blip. And then this is all despite the fact that Apple got a rare downgrade and lost $1.50. The TLT, the 20-year bond auction, came back down 78 cents. Goldman Sachs gains 68, but it's still at the lows of the year since January, December even. All right, let's look at this intraday action 5-minute count. Look at this. But by the way, you can see the end of Thursday with the rally. You can see Friday. So Friday morning we moved up a little bit, and ever since then, really, ever since before lunch on Friday, we have been in a 5-point range. So look at that flat opening, tiny gap down, head fake lower, came back up to fill the gap, and that's it. That was the range for the day, and we were done. Horrible. And look at this. Look at the NASDAQ. I can't remember the last time I saw the NASDAQ look this flat. Oh, just a mess. So there's not much else to really point to. Obviously, nothing on the charts to focus on. Volatility is the problem in terms of data coming out on Tuesday. We've got the JOLTS job openings 30 minutes in. Not much even on Wednesday. Just looking ahead. It's going to be a light week for data, so I'm not sure that's going to be what pushes things. Obviously, you'd like to get at least 2 good trading days in any given week. We've been getting that, but it wasn't Monday. So we'll see what happens here. Nothing else to say, really. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.